Hey, what's up guys? You'd be forgiven for thinking that I'm playing Anki Overdrive, because this is Magic Drive. Alright, so Magic Drive is a mixed reality race game based on Anki Overdrive. Now, it's a Kickstarter at the moment. It's taken me a while to get this video completed and posted, so there's only about a week. There's only a week left on the Kickstarter, so if you can get in there and back the project, because it looks pretty cool. There's a lot of stuff that if you read through here, it talks about all the different pledges that you can make to actually get the pieces to allow you to play the game. Now, I'm not going to run through everything in here, but the creator of this, Shin, he's done a lot of work to try and basically evolve the Anki Overdrive system to a augmented reality type of gameplay, because the Anki Overdrive team seem to have stopped developing the system. So it's actually pretty cool. There's a lot of different concepts here, and basically because it's all coded, Shin can do anything he wants to actually put more levels in, more weapons or game types, all that stuff. So it's actually really cool. You can see there the track that he's actually putting together. He's creating that track from scratch to actually act as the piece for the AR component. And you can see there's also a engineering bay, so you can upgrade your weapons and all that stuff. So what to expect in the game, there's different tracks that he's doing for the beginning, and then also what you're going to get for all of your pledges that you put in. He's got some funds distributions and a few other videos there, a bit of a breakout on himself and a couple other people that are in the project, and basically where this all came from. So get in there, have a read through it, put a pledge in, and hopefully there's gets across the line, because this is pretty cool. So I'm going to go into actually showing you the demo version now, how it's all set up and everything like that. Alright, with Magic Drive, the same setup applies for when you're actually putting the track together. So you still have your normal pieces, and in this case what I'm just going to do, so I'm just putting together the basic track here with the start piece, one straight piece and the 4 edges, and the 4 curves. So we're just going to have the basic track. Now I'm just going to place Skull and Ground Shock on the track. This is how you would play a normal game of Anki Overdrive. Now the main difference, what actually allows for the augmented reality, is this extra piece here. Now for the demo version that Shin has put together, he's able to actually have created a poster, which when we roll it out, the poster lines up with the track itself. Now this is folding out on me everywhere. So what I'm going to do is line that poster up underneath the basic track. And after battling to get the poster straight, basically we've got it lined over the top, and you can see there's actually a start finish marker there, so you just lined it up. Now Shin's created this poster as a part of the demo package, but you'll see in his Kickstarter that he's actually created a separate piece which can be used across multiple points in the track, and that separate piece will act as the marker instead of actually using the poster. So currently at the moment the poster is actually being used to determine where the actual track is, which is great because not everyone has access to an A1 printer. You can get it printed off at like a local, you may have a local stationery company that do have plotters that are able to do this size, and you can take them that file and actually get that printed off. But hopefully once everything's all done and he'll ship out those pieces, we'll actually just have the one piece that'll be able to pick up a track like this. So on the phone I've actually downloaded the Magic Drive app there. So all we have to do is open that one up and like access to the camera, which would be an OK because it needs the camera to be able to see the track. Now this is one of the beta setups of the game, so obviously as time goes on there'll be a proper UI that's created and all that stuff, so we just have to go with it at the moment. What we need to do is play and host. Now as the player I can change my name. I'm not going to bother with that at the moment. Let's try and join. Scanning the track, and there we go. So at the moment obviously there's no setup races or battle scenarios and stuff, but that's all to come. So you know, like any type of beta version. Oh, they're just going through some fire. He's got some damage there. So any type of beta version of a game, you know, it evolves over time until it gets released, and as time goes on we'll get some more and more updates. But what I'm going to do is fix the camera properly to a tripod, and we can accelerate on one side and brake. So there you go, you can normal controls similar to the Anki Overdrive, and you have weapons on the side. So this time we can actually see mines. I'll run over my own. There we go, he's damaged himself. Recording this off the phone screen so I can actually move around a bit easier. You can see what I'm doing. So we have all these weapons, mines. So pretty cool with that. What we're going to do is try change the level, the space level. You're right in the space level. So once it scans the track and recognizes where everything is, here's the space one, which you can kind of see the outside of the arena too, which is pretty cool. But yeah, if we have different maps as well, so you can see they're a little glitchy sometimes, but that's to be expected. So here, we've still got the volcano track. Now I know she's done a version where there's another volcano over here in the circle on this map, but it's not in this release pack that I have here, so that's why it's not showing up. But over time he'll eventually do some type of level builder or whatever, and you'll be able to build whatever tracks you want, or hopefully the game can even just go off the theme. Alright, so there's also a Discord channel. I'll put a link in the description below so you can jump in and actually get into there if you want to get in and actually see things like the release notes and ideas that we've been throwing up. Alright, so make sure you also check out the Kickstarter page and get in there and pledge, because we want to actually get this off the ground. It's actually really fun to play with, so you can actually get the entire Anki Overdrive system all in one as part of the Kickstarter as well, so make sure you jump in there. That's about it from me. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.